The first thing you'll see once you're in SIKE is the chat interface. At the bottom, you have your query section where you can ask questions. Then we have the models area where you can choose from using GPT-4 Turbo, our documents model, or a hybrid of both. Next, we have a tags area which helps you filter documents that have been loaded. Then you can hit enter or click here to submit the query. On the left, you can save and create new conversation threads. We also have other features like microsignatures, seeing data sources, moving answers down to the prompt section, and copying results. All of this is also explained in our guided tour. We also have a data area where you can upload and do ad hoc analysis. Let's take a look at the menu. Here you have the room you're in, a section we call Nodules, and a place to manage your subscription. Now let's take a look at our profile. Here we can select a different profile image. Let's go for the crying rainbow cloud. It looks great. On your profile, we can also see the amount you've spent on queries this month, as well as what the organization has spent. Now, let's take a look at what's in those nodules. These are rooms where you can group different sorts of related data for your analysis. In this case, we can see some Blockchain Australia submissions and reports that have been analysed. You can see these reports available in the tags section. We also see the time taken for the response as well as the cost of this particular query. It's all about that transparency. Further down, we can see the sources of the response. Next, let's create our own nodule. We call it that because it's our shorthand for knowledge module. First, we can add a new one. Then, we give it a name and a description. To test, you can see it available in the menu. To add new information, we can go to the Data tab and upload data. Let's take a look at some of the reports we have. In this case, we'll choose Masari and upload it. Whilst you can create your own nodules, we can also connect programmatically to data you have in areas such as SharePoint. The upload finished and we can see the report available. Now, let's ask a question. Now we just wait for the query to load. We sped this up, but you can see how long it took in the response. Here we have a response with various highlights of the report, which we can dive into further. Next, let's take a look at the sources area, which shows the sections of the report which led to those answers. Additionally, we have our microsignatures. This is a feature that allows you to sign a message. This could be necessary in situations where it's known that AI is used, but we need to prove a human was in the loop to read the response. After signing it, we see the response go green and the information is stored for the user. Responses can be moved into the prompt area to edit or even copied for other purposes. Finally, you could delete this thread or start a new one.